Greetings to you from sunny Thailand. Although today the weather is cloudy, not very sunny, it's still warm, as it always is in Thailand. Today is May 30th, 2025, and we are at the construction site of our 11th project, Siam Oriental Dream. We're here to show you how the construction is progressing. As of today, apartment inspections are taking place on the 4th floor. This is an important stage that allows us to ensure the quality of construction and the finishing work. The finishing of the commercial premises on the 1st floor is being completed. Construction work has also begun on arranging the entrance area. Work is ongoing to install the purification system in the swimming pool located on the 1st floor. Very soon, there will be a relaxation area here with crystal clear water and an atmosphere of complete relaxation. As we promised you earlier, we will also be providing you with a monthly report on the construction of our 12th project, Siam Oriental Oasis. And we are ready to start this edition with the joyful news that we have received official approval of the EIA certificate. EIA is a certificate for assessing the environmental impact of the project. Obtaining the EIA certificate is a crucial step in the process. Right at the construction stage, this confirms that our project is being built with care for nature and in accordance with environmental and legal standards. At the moment, earthworks are ongoing to prepare the site for future construction. And work has already begun on laying the foundation for the retaining wall, which is the basis of the future project. The Oasis project will be located in the greenest and most promising area of the city, on Pratumnak Hill. Surrounded by nature, close to a clean beach, a golf course, and all the infrastructure necessary for comfortable living, it creates the perfect space for life, relaxation, and investment. The high season has come to an end. Strong low tides have begun at sea, but the water remains warm, warmer even than at the height of the season. The beaches are almost empty, but there are still some people swimming. Even on cloudy days, the sea stays warm. Thank you for your trust and interest in our projects. Stay with us. There is still much more interesting ahead for you. And each stage of construction brings you closer to realizing your dream of living by the warm sea.